Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Audi RS5 and the Corvette. We'll explore their distinct approaches to performance and driving dynamics. The Audi RS5, with its sophisticated all-wheel drive and potent V6, offers a composed yet thrilling ride. In contrast, the Corvette unleashes pure, unadulterated power through its legendary V8 and rear-wheel drive. Let's dive into what makes each of these incredible machines unique. When it comes to driving dynamics, these cars offer very different philosophies. The Audi RS5 excels as a grand tourer, blending high performance with everyday comfort and a smooth ride. It's a car you can easily drive daily. The Corvette, however, is engineered for pure driving excitement, offering incredibly precise handling and a more visceral connection to the road. Its focus is on performance, often at the expense of some daily comfort. Stepping inside, both vehicles present impressive interiors, though with different priorities. The Audi RS5 boasts a meticulously crafted cabin, featuring high-quality materials, cutting-edge technology, and a refined aesthetic. Its infotainment system is intuitive and user-friendly. The Corvette's interior, on the other hand, is designed around the driver, with controls and displays angled for optimal engagement during spirited driving. Both offer excellent features, but with distinct feels. Finally, let's consider value and ownership. The Audi RS5 generally comes with a higher initial price tag, reflecting its luxury positioning and standard features. The Corvette, however, is renowned for delivering incredible performance per dollar, making it a compelling choice for enthusiasts seeking maximum thrill for their investment. Remember to factor in insurance and maintenance costs, which can differ. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.